Everyone, Gabby here, and in this video we are going to cover Canvas Commons. So what is Canvas Commons? So the Commons is a common place that everyone can go to. They can search and filter things by topic, and they can share courses across instances. So if I create a course and I think it's really awesome and I want to be able to share it with the community at large with Canvas, then I can choose to do so. If I find courses that I like that I might want to embed into my own courses, I can do the same thing. However, one caveat is that when you share your course to Commons, and let's just say you go back in and you start to change it, it's not going to sync to your Commons edition of it. So you're going to have to go into your Canvas Commons edition and add the things that you just added or took away, things like that. So definitely something to consider as you start to share your course and materials with the Canvas community. So let's get started. All right, I am going to go, first of all, to Commons. So on the left-hand side, I can see there's Canvas Commons. And here I can start to see what courses people have shared. I can see how many people have downloaded them, how many people have starred them right over here. And then I can also start to filter things by what types of things they're sharing. So some of them are courses, some are quizzes, discussions. I can search by grade, and I can search by who created those courses. So I am going to show you how to get your course into something like Canvas Commons. So go to your dashboard, go to your course, and on the left-hand navigation, there's the settings tab at the very bottom. And once you're here on the right-hand side of your page, it says Share to Commons. And once I click Share to Commons, it's going to ask me a couple of questions. So who can use this resource? Only me, all of Utah. If I uncheck only me, then I can choose all of Utah. I could do select groups that I'm a part of. I can do select consortiums if I want to, and then I can do public. So anyone on Canvas could see it. Then you go down to content type, which is optional, and you could do template or open textbook. Most of the time you'll pick template. And then license. Is it copyrighted? Is it a public domain? Is it attribution? Any of these things. So most of the time you could just keep it copyrighted or click help me choose, and then it'll give you some suggestions. Then you can give it a title. So mine says UEN Sandbox course. Obviously, I would want to change the title because it's a sandbox. So this might say English 101 or elementary 5th grade science course, and then I could give it a description, give it some tags like elementary. I could do science, social studies, anything like that. I can also add an image, and then I can select the range of grade levels that I believe that it should go into. And then I click share. And then once you hit share, it takes you here where it says your title, your course. It has a preview mode, which isn't available until it's finished processing. So we can check back later. I can add this to my favorites, and or I could copy the resource link here if I want to share it with someone like on my team or a different school, different district, and put that in a link or a message to them. Okay, next thing. Let me go back to my Commons. And now I'm going to search UEN Sandbox, and there it is. This one's mine, and I can click on it, and it's going to take me to my course. Once you've selected your course from Commons that you added, you can edit the resource as far as like the title, the image, the description. But if you've made any drastic changes like adding files or modules, you're going to want to just remove from Commons and add it again later so that everything is kind of fresh and clean and up to date. All right, so that wraps up our video on Canvas Commons. You can share across instances. You can search for your course. If you make changes, make sure that you remove it from Commons and then add it again, and then utilize it to your benefit, to your advantage. See what other people are willing to share, and then Eventually, try to share some of your resources as you find that they're working for you, and it's going to save other teachers a lot of time and energy, and everyone appreciates when we share.